Okay, I don't know about you, but this is something that's kind of irritating about products made in China. Well, technically, it doesn't have to be made in China. I don't mean to pick on China, but I think these are actually made in China. But the point is, this is Go-Go Fix. Now you see how these screwdrivers look. Very nice, very nice. See? You got the colored ends and stuff. Well, here it is again. E-durable. Look at that exact same screwdriver. Just a different name right here. And yet again, I fix it. Exact same screwdriver. Or at least it sure looks like the exact same screwdriver. It's like a company printed billions of these things, and hey, we'll put your name on it. Whatever you want to call it, we'll put it on it. Now, I did buy one of these. I have a Penelope one. Penelope. It's actually not a bad screwdriver. So this set here is for $35.80. This is probably a fairly decent set. But I see this in so many products that I look on Amazon for. It's like branding. Everybody wants to find some cheap Chinese crap and brand it with their name and sell it. So I was wanting a soldering, or is it soldering? A soldering workstation. So you see this is Zany, or Zany, how do you pronounce that? But what we're looking at here is 853D. 853D. You get all this poop with it. Well, this is from F2C for $54.99. Although you have to pay $14 shipping, and it's got Zany wrote on it. So let's just get the Zany one. Exact same one. But it's $69.99 with free shipping. Well, what about this one? 853D. Exactly the same. Although they give you this poop here with it. So they do give you a little bit more stuff. And this container here is a little better. Plus, I imagine the soldering iron looks like it's a little different, so it may be a little better. It might be worse. I don't know. Well, hold on. No, I think it might just be the angle looking at it. That may not be different. The only difference may be this container that it goes in instead of this metal looking thing. I don't know, it's $100. Now, from reading some of the comments, I'm not going to scroll down to them because it's a lot and I don't remember I don't remember where that comment was anyway, but a lot of people take these apart and make sure that everything is intact when you get it. Otherwise, it could short out or burn your house down or something. I don't know. But they're saying that the inside of these models all have, how do you pronounce that? Yahuwah. Sorry for butchering that. So they all have this company's components inside of it. So this may be the actual manufacturer. I do not know. Here it is in blue, if that's your thing. This model is a little different. You got a push button here instead of that toggle switch. The face of it's a little prettier. I think I like the black better than the blue, and you've got a 5 amp USB. Where these don't. I just wish they had like named a different number, like 854 or something. But this one is a little bit better, seemingly. But it goes back to this crappy looking thing here that I don't like. Vivo Home. Same thing with the toggle switch. $89.99. Happy Buy. They didn't even bother to have it branded with their name on it. Look at that. $94.99. Flexion. Flexion? They didn't have it branded. They just didn't put a name on it at all. But they do have the nice, well, I think it's a nicer housing bay for the soldering wand. $129.95 plus free shipping. Triple. They didn't bother to brand it either. I would prefer both of these to come off. Although personally, between us, if I do buy one when I get it, I will probably put the soldering iron on it and never take it off unless it needs repaired or replaced. Same with the hot air. So that's really not a biggie. Here's one by Oculus. $330.69. At least you get the free shipping with it. But does this not look amazingly similar to the other $100 one? $50 one? Which one was that? This one. Okay. And if you want to pay more, you can get this particular one. Oh, no, wait a minute. This is actually different, isn't it? Okay, this one's 5 amp instead of 2 amp. But it's still not $600 worth. But a lot of them are advertising this word here, whatever that is. If you know how to pronounce that, say it in the comments. And I just realized that all you can do is write it. You can't actually say it. So that's not going to help, is it? But this one also, you can't really see it in the picture, but what these are, it's got a power supply built in. You can see to turn on the power supply, the switch is here. Hold on one second. Okay, you can see you can turn on the power supply here. What these switches are, what these knobs are, is to fine and coarse adjustment to the output power and the amps, the voltage in the amps. So it'll go up to 5 amps. And it doesn't say, but I think 30... Okay, 30 volts, 5 amps DC power supply. Now technically that is what I would like to have, would be the one that goes up higher than that, but the cost difference is tremendous. I mean, you could put in $853D and Amazon will bring up all kinds of garbage here. This being the one I actually want. See, it's got the 5 amp, 30 volts, but it's $219. This is 862. And you can go through all these, which essentially what my decision would come down to would be, do I want this one or do I want this one? Or why not just get this one? It comes with probably $30 or more worth of stuff extra. And the better base for the soldering iron. I think it's also a voltage meter. The thought has crossed my mind, why not just get the rework station cheaper without this stuff? And then buy a separate power supply. I mean, do I really even need a power supply for that matter? But anyway, let me know in the comments if you notice any of this kind of stuff going on with Amazon, because I see it on all kinds of products. It basically, I just start trying to find the one that's selling the exact same thing, only cheaper.